Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can access the WordPress dashboard from cPanel, so let's get right into it. But before I do, let me explain what cPanel is. cPanel is a online Linux-based graphical user interface which is used for server and website management, which means that you can do a lot of things such as control or rather edit your domain in the sense that you can upload websites and web pages and things like that. And I'm not very proficient in the matter, but I do know that it makes managing your website a whole lot easier. You can use WordPress, for example, through cPanel so that you can make the entire publishing your website process and maintaining your website process a lot simpler. But yeah, without further ado, let me show you quickly how you can log into WordPress using cPanel. So let's get right into it, and let me just make it perfectly clear. cPanel is not free, however, there is a 15-day free trial, which is the reason why I'm not using it currently, since I, cannot really access it through my computer at the moment. But yeah. To log in to access the WordPress dashboard, what you need to do is, what you need to do is first and foremost log into cPanel, as you can see here, and then you need to navigate to the Softaculous apps installer. Once you're there, click on WordPress and navigate to the WordPress installation section. And once you're there, this action will redirect you to the installation page where you can install WordPress. Now, you will see a list of all the WordPress applications installed using the Softaculous installation manager at the bottom of the page. On each installation, you can see an admin icon. You can log into WordPress by clicking on that icon. And once you do, clicking on that icon will redirect you to the WordPress admin section. And from the admin section, you can customize your WordPress site or reset the password if you have forgotten it. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.